So here's our yellow lentils, also known as yellow split peas. We'll add them to a large bowl and cover with water so we can rinse off any excess dirt and debris. We'll go ahead and strain, and then once again check for any foreign objects such as small stones. All looks good, so next I'll add to a saucepot and cover with water. I'll then add a pinch of salt and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, which will enhance the color. As you can see, we have this foam that's developing, and we'll simply skim that off and continue to do so until it's mostly removed. We'll then cover the pot and let that cook for 20 minutes. Halfway through, we'll lift the lid, and as we can see, the lentils have absorbed most of the water and are beginning to soften. After 20 minutes or so, we can really see the lentils beginning to break down, which signals to me that they're ready to be removed from the heat. Next, we're going to make something called a tarka. So we'll use our mortar and pestle, and you can use any mortar and pestle, but this one here is made from brass, which is great for spices. We'll first place it on a folded kitchen towel to soften the impact. I'll then add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. I'm then going to use my hand to cover the mortar while I leave a small opening for my pestle, and this will keep any ingredients from flying outside of the mortar. Next, on medium heat, add a couple tablespoons of neutral oil to a saucepan and add the spices. We'll then add some chili flakes, followed by some chopped garlic. I'll then toss in some chopped ginger and finally a small amount of garam masala. We'll mix well until this mixture foams and then place into our lentil dal. Mix in your tarka until fully combined. And I'll finish this off with some chopped cilantro, and here's our beautiful lentil dal. I'll season with some salt and taste. And this was absolutely perfect. I'll add this to a bowl and dig right in. Now there we have it, our soft lentils put to work and made into a beautiful Indian dal. This dish was extremely aromatic, had a nice crunch from the spices, and was beautifully balanced with the fresh cilantro. Also, feel free to add some lemon juice for some brightness and acidity. So, in this lesson, you learned an important technique, which is the blooming of spices in hot oil. Now when doing so, you want to make sure you start with whole spices first, followed by ginger and or garlic, and if you wish to add ground spices, add them at the very end. This will ensure they're not left in hot oil for too long and end up burning. Lastly, remember to experiment with different cooking techniques when it comes to using soft lentils, such as stews, curries, and soups. Now, that's it for the legume module of the course. If you wish to master lentils, then it's best to experiment with both firm and soft varieties using appropriate cooking techniques for each. In the next lessons, we'll be discussing the 2 basic types of rice, short grain and long grain. I'll see you there.